Hello, in this video I shall be discussing the location of Myanmar. The capital of Myanmar is Naypyidaw. Naypyidaw became its capital in 2005. The currency of Myanmar is Burmese kyat. It is represented as K. After the Third Anglo-Burmese War that took place in 1885 to 1886, Myanmar came under the rule of the British. So that was the Anglo-Burmese War. And Myanmar, before becoming a separate country, it used to be a part of British India. So it was a province under British India. In 1937, British colony was established in Myanmar when Myanmar got separated from India. So from then it was ruling as an original separate independent country, but it was under British rule, or British colonies were existing, but it just separated from India in 1937. During World War II, Myanmar was in the hands of Japan. So Japan controlled Myanmar. But as Japan lost to the British in the World War II, again Myanmar has to go back into the British hands. And finally Myanmar got independence in 1948 from the British. And then Myanmar was having a military regime or military rule for major part of its history. And during this military rule in 1980s, around 1980s, there was this military rule. During then, it changed the name of Union of Burma to Union of Myanmar. The military changed its name in 1989. Earlier, it was called the Union of Burma. Later, now it's called Union of Myanmar since 1989. And also, there was another change of name, that is the name of Rangoon, the capital of then Myanmar, was changed to Yangon. So these two changes happened because of this military rule. And there was a military coup in 1962 in Myanmar. So that's how this military regime came. So after the military coup in 1962, military junta ruled Myanmar till 2011. So till 2011, from 1962, this is a huge period. So all this period was under the military regime. The whole country was under the military junta rule. And in 2015, later democracy was established in Myanmar through gradual liberalization, and the National League for Democracy. This party has come up in 2015. The veteran leader of National League for Democracy is Aung San Suu Kyi. She is a very famous person. Even in 1991, she got Nobel Peace Prize for non-violence and human rights activities and all. So Aung San Suu Kyi government has come up in 2015, taking away the military regime of Myanmar. And next we shall go with some geographical things in and around Myanmar. There are 4 important rivers in Myanmar: Irrawaddy River, Salween River, Yangon River, and Mekong River. So we shall see about them. Mekong is a very important river. We shall see about that. And the bordering countries around Myanmar are China, Laos, Thailand, and there are 2 seas, Andaman Sea and Bay of Bengal, Bangladesh and India. So these are the bordering things around it. The important mountains in Myanmar are Patkai Range, Naga Hills, Chin Hills, Rakhine Mountains or Arakan Mountains. So Arakan Mountains are also called Rakhine Mountains. Patkai Range, Naga Hills and Chin Hills, these 3 are important because they are bordering India. They are in fact separating Myanmar from India. And next, Myanmar is a part of Mekong-Ganga Cooperation. Mekong-Ganga Cooperation was established in 2000, and it is a cooperation between 6 countries. So the 6 countries include India, Thailand, Cambodia, Laos, Vietnam. So this is a cooperation between these countries wherein Mekong river flows. So the countries included India, Thailand, Myanmar, Cambodia, Laos and Vietnam. So as part of it, it is also present in Mekong-Ganga Cooperation Group. It is a part of Asian Development Bank and a part of South Asian Sub-Regional Economic Cooperation, SASEC. And an important project is present regarding Myanmar with respect to India relation with Myanmar, that is Kaladan project. This is in fact called Kaladan Multimodal Transport Project. So as the name says, this is about some transport thing. That is, the Calcutta port in India is connected to Sitwe port in Myanmar. So these 2 ports are connected through Bay of Bengal route. So that route, the project that took up this route is Kaladan Multimodal Transit Project. And one port is important, that is Kyokpyu port. So this is the port that China built for Myanmar, and as a part of, we know about China's String of Pearls initiative, in which it goes on building ports around India and around its neighboring countries. So as part of that, China built Kyokpyu port in Bay of Bengal for Myanmar. And now Myanmar is hugely in news since 2-3 months, because there is a state of emergency in Myanmar declared by military, because military coup is presently there in Myanmar. So that started from 1st February 2021, in which the leader whom we spoke about, Aung San Suu Kyi, she is deposed away by the military, and the Myanmar military is called Tatmadaw. So the rule right now in Myanmar is Tatmadaw's rule. So this is replacing democracy with stratocracy. Stratocracy is nothing but military rule. So democracy is replaced by stratocracy, and there is a huge violence in which civilians are killed, and even United Nations is concerned about it, and the whole world is looking at Myanmar for this particular purpose. Now we shall go into mapping Myanmar, the geographical map of it in a rough way. To give some border to Myanmar, it somewhat looks like this. So this is the rough outline map of Myanmar. Now we shall go with mapping the countries around Myanmar. So China is present on north and northeast of Myanmar. So all of this is China. And next, Laos is present on the east of Myanmar. This is Laos. Thailand is present on the southeast of Myanmar. So this is Thailand. This is all the south, it is on the southeastern side of Myanmar. And here on the south there is a sea called Andaman Sea. Andaman Sea is over here to the south of Myanmar, and to the southwest of Myanmar there is Bay of Bengal. Next we have Bangladesh to the west of Myanmar. So here is Bangladesh. Bangladesh takes up the west of Myanmar, and all of northwest is taken up by India. So this is all India. So in fact this is northeast India, northeast arm, that part of northeast India. This is all India that is having border with Myanmar. So these are the countries around Myanmar. Now we shall go with the important mountain ranges inside Myanmar. And as I've told, 3 mountain ranges separate Myanmar and India. They are Patkai Range. Here is Patkai Range. Here is Naga Hills Range. And here we have Chin Hills. So these 3 hills act as a border between Myanmar and India. Patkai Range, Naga Hills and Chin Hills. And here is Rakhine Mountain Range. South to these 3 mountain ranges, here is Rakhine Mountain Range or Arakan Mountain Range. So these are important mountains. Now we shall go with the rivers. And here it has got Irrawaddy River. So Irrawaddy River is present over here. Salween River is present over here. And here we have Yangon River. So these are the 3 important rivers. And one very, very important river is present, that is Mekong River. So it starts somewhere in the Tibetan Plateau, and it flows through Myanmar and meets Myanmar in this part, in the eastern part. So it also flows through Laos, it also flows through Thailand, and it goes through Vietnam, Cambodia also, and finally it goes into South China Sea. So Mekong River flows into South China Sea ultimately. So this is the part where Mekong River meets Myanmar. So eastern part. This is Mekong River. So as Mekong River flows through this, it is a part of Mekong Ganga Cooperation Group. So these are all the important things in and around Myanmar, and it is in use because of military coup that is present there right now, and even the violence is still going on. So this is about it, about Myanmar, and thank you.